feel now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting.